Hi, what's up everyone? Today we are going to scrap realtor.com. If you want to scrap some specific website which is being too complex for you, so there are multiple tools that you can use to scrap this. So in this video we are going to scrap data using instant data scraper. Although there are multiple best data scraper available on the internet, then you can use any one of the. Today in this video I will use this instant data scraper. So actually this is the website. I'm going to scrap data from this website. I'm going to scrap this name, this company name, phone number, the sold, sale, sold, and the this price. So what I will do to scrap that data, I will need to use an Google Chrome extension. The name of the extension is instant data scraper. Instant data scraper you can add from Google. So I search instant data scraper. On the first page you will see the website, so you will be redirected to the Google Chrome web store. So here you can simply add this extension to your Chrome browser. Now I have added that extension, and after that adding that extension you can pin from this Chrome extension. So here you will see that icon, extension icon, and if I scroll down here I can see that instant is a scrap, and now this extension has been pinned on my extension toolbar. So here if I want to scrap that, it is very simple to use the instant data scraper. So just I reloaded that page, and now what will I do, simply click on this and it will automatically fetch all of the data, available data. So you can see it highlighted in yellow and red circle here. So what data it scrapped, you can see here. This is the profile link. I will rename that profile link, and this is the, I think, image URL. I think this is the image URL. If I show you, this is actually URL of this agent. So here if I open that, so you can see here this is the URL of the image. So if you need that, you can keep it image URL, or you can delete that. So image, and here this is the name of the agent name, and this one is the company name, and I do not need this column. I will delete undesired column from here. And the phone number is very important for me, so I will keep it as it is. And this is the sale, I will keep it, and I will delete that column. And this is the sold. So you can keep, and you can also delete price or worth. Okay, so if I scroll right, language you can keep or you can delete. I do not want this, and this is the duplicate. And number of reviews, and this one delete. Okay, now I am almost near, so I deleted undesired data. This is the actually the data I needed. So what will I do, I have cleaned that data, and now we have to locate the next button, because I also want to scrap data from all of the available pages. So here there are total of 218 pages available. I want to scrap that data. So what will I do, I will click on that extension here and locate next button. You can click after clicking on it, you will see that if I hover over mouse on any web page element, so it is highlighting in green. So I will select the next page button. So here you can see next button is highlight. I just clicked, so it highlighted into green. So after that you can keep it the minimum delay, and this is the maximum delay. So if your internet speed is slow, then you can keep it maximum, as you can see. So okay, after that you can click on start crawling. So here you can see the web page is continuously being loaded, and also the data is going to scrap. So here if you see, you can see there are 3 pages has been scrapped, and almost 80 data from 4 pages has been scrapped. It means that there are 20 listings on each page, so it is going very fast and you do not have to waste. And it is very accurately scrapping that data. If I scroll down, you can see here it is going to scrap. So after that it will take a few minutes to scrap all of the pages available. Like here if you can see here there are 218 pages are total, so here it will take only few minutes. And here you can also check the current status. It is going on the 12th page and 220 and 40 data has been scrapped. So it will take few minutes, and it will scrap all of the available data. So I just, if you want to stop that, or it will automatically stop after 218. So I am just going to stop that, and after that you can download this data in CSV XLS, or you can also copy that data and you can paste in Google Sheet. So I am going to download that data. So I downloaded that, and here you can see it has scrapped my desired data. And if I scroll, so here you can see this is the sale, sold. So this is the phone number, this one phone number, and I do not need, so I will delete that. So here is the phone number, company name, each and everything my required data. Here this is the actual image, and each and everything is scrapped very correctly. If I scroll down, you can see here it is correctly scrapped all of the available data and reviews as well. So this is the easy way to scrap that data. And if you this is extension will work if you only need the data from the front page. If you need data to go inside and need to collect some further information on the detail page, then you will have to use other extra data scraper tool like Octopus, Data Miner, Parse Hub, and Scrapstorm. So these are the best tool to scrap data from the detail page, but I do not need today. I just need the data from the front page. And if you need data from the listing page or detail page, then you will have to use other data scraper tools like this. I mentioned these, and there is an other Chrome extension web scraper. So I will disclose in the next video today. And this video I just show you that how you can scrap the data from realtor.com. And mostly if you use third party data scraper tool like ParseHub, Octopus, it is see you can face captcha. So Octopus and all other these cannot solve that captcha. So this is the good choice. Instant data scraper is the good choice for you to scrap data. So I hope you understand that how you can scrap data. So we will meet you in next video. Thank you very much.